Here I have XIAOMI Mi A2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the network and internet section, and then to the hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can enable your hotspot, here you can change its name, here you can display the QR code to connect immediately to your hotspot. Here you can change security protocol. Here you can change your password. In advanced, you can also change the AP band, and you can set it to turn off automatically if nobody is connected. And you can also switch your hotspot here at the upper bar now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.